Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you a quick way of restore a backup from a network attached storage or NAS. Um, if you ever have a situation where your computer crashed and this is a Windows machine, this might help you in case you have a backup, but for whatever reason you don't know how to restore it. There are several ways in doing this. You can keep it on um, network attached storage like me, or you can just plug a USB drive onto your computer and have the Windows backup system tool that comes with every Windows system. Just back it up to there. In my case, I have a bunch of computers, so I keep all my backups in one centralized location. So whenever I have to restore, I just go to that. I just use that and restore all my backups. Um, so this is my computer right here. Um, I'll show you how to do it. So for this thing, you're gonna need a Windows CD, um, and that's it. Well, I mean, in a new drive, obviously. Um, this one, it's pretty cool because I can just put it there. I don't know if you can see it. It has a SATA interface right here, so I can just switch drives on the fly. Well, not on the fly, but I can, if I wanna access that drive and I don't wanna open the computer, I can just, you know, shut it down, unplug it, and plug one in, and that's it. All right. So I'm gonna turn on my computer. I just want to show you. I have the CD right there. Um, in my case, I also have to make sure that um, my computer boots off of that CD. Um, so for my computer to get into the BIOS, I had to press the key delete, and that's gonna send me to the BIOS. I already picked to boot off a CD. Um, I mean, there is no bootable device, so even if you don't switch it to boot from the CD, it might boot from the CD because there is nothing else to boot from. So it's gonna go through the list of things to boot from, and since it's just gonna find the CD, it's gonna boot from there. So let me show you. Um, no, where is it? Oh, here we go. So I have, see, my CD right here, and this is the new drive that I'm gonna use for my installation. So I know that first it's gonna go to this one, and if it was nothing there, it will go to this one, and it will just tell me that there is no bootable devices. uh, so see, there's no more. If I had more than one drive, I will have more drives here. So um, make sure you do this, otherwise the computer might try to boot from the network or something like that, and then you're not gonna be able to restore anything. So let's just save. I mean, I don't have to save, but if I change something, you know, in order to for the settings to kick in, you have to save and then exit out of the BIOS. So now for the next thing, we need to wait for this thing to boot. Okay, and I mean to come up. It's checking. It's gonna find the CD in just a second. Okay, it's taking a little while. Just a sec. All right. So see, that's the system booting from my CD. You can see right here there is activity going on. The CD is being read. Um, so let's just wait for a second here. Make sure you have the Ethernet cable well connected to the port on your switch and on the back of your computer, because otherwise something happened to me just now. It wasn't pushed in all the way in, and I was not able to connect to the share for obvious reasons. So make sure that that doesn't happen to you. Um, so just a second. You could also boot from a USB where you have this installation copy onto. I'll make another video about that and another occasion. So okay, so once you get this part right here, you just click next and then say repair your computer. Alright, since if you had a USB drive connected to the computer, it will show right here that you have a drive and you can go into it and look for your restore installation. But in this case, I don't have anything, so I'm just gonna click next. It's gonna say it can't find anything because I don't have anything connected to it but my CD and my drive. Click next, then go to advanced and search system on the network. It's gonna ask, are you sure you want to connect? Yada yada yada. This is my own network, so sure. Alright, so then it's gonna ask you for the path to the folder on the NAS, right? So first you gotta tell them what it is. So in my case, my NAS has the IP address of 10.1.10.11. Then the folder is called TMBK, and then the folder where I have my backups is called backups. It's gonna ask you for your username. My user is Commander. My password, just kind of a long one. Alright, just in case. Ah, nice. I think I tapped it wrong. Hold on a second. Alright, yeah. So I have two backups here. The one I'm gonna restore is this one. This one belongs to another computer. So I'm just gonna restore that one. So click next. I only have one. So if you had multiple backups of the same computer, it will show right there. I only have one. And then basically, I mean, if you had multiple drives, you could exclude them. I only have one, so I'm not gonna pick it because otherwise it's not gonna restore anything. If your drive is not showing, it means that the installation CD doesn't have the drivers to talk to the SATA controller or IDE controller or whatever interface your drive is. So just click next and then finish. It's gonna tell you that the drive is gonna be formatted and the whole deal. Basically, try to use a brand new drive or a drive that if you have data, you don't care about the data. Otherwise, I mean, this is gonna be a problem for you in the future. So just click next, and it's gonna be a while, especially since this thing is gonna be restored from the network, and it depending on how much data you had on the backup, that's basically gonna reflect on the time that this thing is gonna take. So I guess sit back, relax, get some coffee, and I'll see you when this thing it's done. I'm gonna pause the video and show you when it's all done. Okay, see you in a bit through the magic of video. Okay, so this thing just finished and it's booting now off of the actual drive. See, now no light going crazy because it's not reading from the CD. And that's it. It's been restored. Type your password. Oh, can't remember my password. Huh. Hold on a second, I gotta put down the camera. Alright, finally. Right. Huh. I can't remember my password. I guess I'm gonna have to make a video on how to basically reset your password. I might do it on this video too. Hold on a second. Let me try one more time. Okay, I think it took it in. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, well, this is awkward. Oh, alright, good. It did took the password. And that's it. Now you're up and running. I hope this video is useful to you. If you are in the Boston area, you can always check out my blog, which obviously this video is gonna be posted to. I do IT and data recovery. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, if you're in the Boston area, Cambridge area, I can do a house call and help you out with whatever IT problems you might be having, and hopefully make it painless. All right. If you like this video, share it to someone that might need it. And if you're watching it on YouTube, give it a thumbs up. Okay. Bye.